To delete apps on an Android tablet, first swipe up to reveal the app drawer. If you remove an app from the home screen, it doesn't delete the app, so it's important to do this from the app drawer instead. Find the app you'd like to delete and tap and hold it until it starts to bounce. Then choose Uninstall. Most apps will uninstall just fine, but Android always has some default system apps that cannot be deleted. If you want to quickly see which apps are taking up the most space, you can go to Settings and then from the left sidebar, scroll down to Device Care. Then tap Storage, and from the storage view, you can tap Show More to reveal all the different storage categories. Then tap Apps, and you'll get a list of all your apps, which you can sort to be displayed based on the size of each app. If you're low on storage, a lot of tablets allow you to expand your storage by using an SD card, and if you're interested in that, I have a separate video showing how to do it. I'll link it in the description, so go check it out next. And that's how you delete apps on Android tablets. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.